Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Welcome everybody to the show. I hope you're all well. And we've got an interesting show coming up for you today. We've got some news around the corner, it seems, for Virgin Galactic, but I'm still in conversation, so I still haven't yet got it to confirm. I'm not going to give any information unless I know something for certain. So far, I've held back from my video on Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit. All right, let's get ready. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you're here, and love to see you all. Let's get straight into our positions here. Here we go. Whoops-a-daisy, slight technical glitch there. The screen went a bit slow. There we go. Slight technical glitch there. Right, let's bring up the information on the screen for you, the tickers and all the information that you need below. All right, if you look below my video, on every video there is information, links, the giveaways and all the other stuff that you might need. All right, today was a great opportunity today. I'm thrilled to bits. I was able to get a discount today on some shares. You were here this morning, you know what we did this morning. But this afternoon, the story of the day, here it is. It is Amazon. Amazon, we've learned that this particular stock, because it's very expensive, no question about it, but it's a blue chip company, it overreacts to the upside and overreacts to the downside. So this morning it went down, and the reason why it went down and it's gained a percent since then is because of the Walmart news. Walmart is trying to take on Amazon, and it can. It's got the money, it's got the facilities, it's got the infrastructure. It's trying to eat into Amazon's market. And of course, when that news came out and it was reported, it did drop the price of Amazon. Now, even though it wasn't my buying price of 88, I'm already in the stock. I wanted to buy some more because it was an overreaction. So when it went down this morning, I picked some up. I don't think I got the complete bottom of it. Let me have a look. What did I buy it? 99.74. Yeah, so I bought it about 99.74, yeah, around about here. Not the complete bottom. It went down to 99.23, went further down, but I was waiting for it to go a bit lower after that. And I only bought a couple of shares, but I've already got 8 shares on my Roth, but in my brokerage account, I've got 54 shares. So I've got plenty of balance in my portfolio. It's 14% of my brokerage, which is right. I don't want it any more than that. It's part of the S&P. It's a great company. You want to own it. It doesn't pay a dividend, of course. It's a growth stock, but whatever. So I didn't do anything with my brokerage money, but my Roth IRA money I bought because I want to add some more. It's only 7%. It's about 7% underweighted at the moment. So the idea was it went down, and now I've made some profit. I'm going to sell it. Now, I want to avoid a day trade sell today. I think I can do it tomorrow. I don't think there's any rush whatsoever to sell it, but I want to sell a couple of shares, just a couple, because I do think coming up to the earnings, we'll get further discounts. So just make some free money along the way, and then come earnings, we might get a little dip. We often do. If you set a buy limit, you can get a 10% discount. Very often, if the report gets leaked, we saw that about 4 quarters ago when the price dropped 10% and then popped up 1 second later. Always worth setting buy limits like I did last night for Tizro, and you can make money. So really pleased with that today. Great result. Managed to make a profit. I can sell it now, but if I do it tomorrow, do it as a swing trade, it'll be better for me because I want to make sure that I keep my patentage. If it was up at 105, 110, then I would sell it. What I would do then is just turn off my limit order, and then I can do that. In fact, I can do that anyway. If it goes up a bit more, I will sell to, put some money back in the bank, take some profits from it, and expect it to do it again, because it will do it again. You can see it keeps doing it. If we can get it around 102, 101, something like that. That's where I'll sell it. It's sort of repeating that pattern over and over again at the moment. Then I will trim off a little bit. So we'll keep our eye on it and see how it goes. Let's bring in all the comments here. Who have we got this afternoon? The Silver Surfer. Hi, Andrew. Hi, Crag. Stephen Lewandowski. Ali Isles is here. How are you, Ali Isles? Good evening, Crag. How's the mug? Stephen Lewandowski. Grrr, said the Silver Surfer. He's not happy. He's not happy. Let's have a look. Lewis Martin. Any news on space? Did they do some more testing? I am in conversation. There's nothing I want to report yet. I'm still putting together a video, information, Virgin Orbit information, Virgin Galactic information, state of the economy, the IMF, the International Monetary Fund. Lots of bits and bobs coming out. Nothing yet confirmed. I'm working on some information that hopefully will be out later on today. So I'll post it probably in the morning. Anyway, but thank you for asking. So the question is, what am I doing with Virgin Galactic? Well, I've got my long-term position here, which is down to 336 shares at the moment, only because that's right for my portfolio at the moment. My Roth IRA position I'm using as my scout position, as you know. I sold it yesterday at the 370, wherever it was, took a profit yesterday. I forget where it was yesterday. Profit. Let me just have a look, remind myself. I can't remember now where it was yesterday. Was it 360 or something like that? Anyway, I sold it and from $3. So that was okay. Waiting for it to go back down there again. And I think it will. Until there's any great news, I think it's bound to be honest with you. So I'll buy it again. I've got order placed here. Look, my orders are placed to buy it at 318. A handful, just to remind me, and if it hits 318, then I'll be looking at it and seeing where it's going, because my average is showing 322. Want to lower that again and do it again. So that's what I'm doing with Virgin Galactic right now. Thank you for all the loves in the chat. It seems to help the channel when you tap the loves and the likes. Thank you very much indeed. Now then, if you've not yet joined my my StockWits, you might be interested to know. You might be interested in this. I'm on StockWits, which is the Twitter version of it's the stock market's Twitter, if you like, called StockWits, and it's a useful tool. I use it to see what's going on and get a few idiots on there. I had a couple of people today come on and say some silly things to me and whatever. And you might want to be part of what's going on over there. If you've not yet followed me on StockWits, join in and see what's going on. You might be interested in some of the conversations. I'd love my Lucas Aids army to join me to combat the lunacy that goes on half the time. Stephen Lewandowski, how are you? Right, I want to thank everybody. Who's been watching my music? I've got an announcement to make. Start a poll. I want to know who's been looping my music. Have you been looping my music? Let's see how many people I'm talking to right now, because I've got some good news. Yes or no? So if you've been looping my music, go yes. If you've not, go no. I want to know how many people are in today, so I want to make the announcement. It's kind of cool. I bought 4 Amazon at $99.33. Very, very nice. Today, it was an overreaction with Walmart. That's what it was. So what did I buy? I bought it for, I forget what it was now, $99.73, wasn't it? $99.74, $99.33. Yeah, you bought it at the bottom. Oh, look at that! You bought it near the very bottom. Very, very nice, Eric. Congratulations. Anytime under 100, I'm in. Yeah, very good. So, very, very good indeed. So if we go above 101, I'll sell those two and do it again. But I've got a long-term position. This is just my short-term position. Hi, Bill. Malk UK is here. Thank you, Malk, for your comments. I've seen different comments in different places from you the last couple of days. Thank you. Hiya, Bill. How are you? Nice to see you. Nice hat, Bill. Yeah, Bill collects hats. Bill collects hats. Let's Let's scroll down, scroll down. My email blew up with the return comments and liked video from Martyn. Yes. The reason for that, Mike, I'm glad you mentioned it. After you unblocked your account, I got about 100 messages from you that I hadn't replied to because I never saw them. And they all popped in, and I went and replied to everyone because you are a member. I replied to all my members. Took me a while. Can you not block me again? Because it took too long. It took about an hour. Anyway, done now. Okay, so anyway, still looping. Eric, Stephen. All right, looped Eric, Stephen, and Mike. Silver, that's 4 of you. Sorry, I haven't. I'm the worst member ever. Yeah, it got stuck at 3,000 watch hours. It got stuck at 3,000 watch hours. Anyway, I can now announce there are 5 of you doing it. That's right. Yep, 5 of you doing it. Thank you so much. We are now at 3,100. Finally, it was stuck at 3,000 for like 3 or 4 days, and I thought, flipping heck, it's just stuck there because there's nothing to fall off. It can go up to 4,000 really quickly. If everyone does it on my channel, we'll be there in a day. Yeah, pick a video. If you're not familiar what we're trying to do, I'm trying to protect my music channel because I want to do some more live concerts for charity. And I can't do that without the super chats and out the monetization. There's my music channel. We're at 3,100. Hopefully tomorrow night we'll be at 3,200 if it continues. Pick a playlist. All you got to do is do this. Click a playlist. It doesn't matter which one you do. It's not about making money. The music channel never makes me any money because it's all copyrighted music. Pick a channel. Pick one with more than one video in to be ideal. All right. Doesn't matter which. Just go down and then go. Okay. I want to do Ukraine. Look, it's got 11 videos in it. Click Ukraine video, and then all you have to do then is pick when it loads. Bearing in mind, I got like 50 screens open. In the top right-hand corner, when it starts to play, just click loop and let it loop in the background. You can do it right now if you want to. Open a couple of tabs, and hopefully we'll get there. This is my music channel, all right? Okay, just give it a second, and I'll share with you what I mean. This was the one we did especially for Ukraine. If you remember. Okay, here we go. So in the top right-hand corner, you will see the loop. See the little loop on the screen just there? Look, you just click loop like that, and it will loop the playlist. That's it. You're now looping. Or you can right-click the screen if it's one video and just click loop, or click the eye up here and find the cogs and click loop that way, depending how you want to do it. All right? That's it. Doesn't count if I do it, obviously, but anyway. So today it's all been about Amazon and the S&P rising again. Gave us a great opportunity today. I'm thrilled to bits with that. Really great, because I want to add more Amazon all the time. But Amazon is extremely expensive, very, very expensive. The earnings to price ratio minus 375. It's incredibly, incredibly, incredibly expensive. However, you pay a premium for these kind of stocks, all right? But whenever it discounts, that's when you jump on in, okay? And it'll always hold its value. But just be aware that Walmart brings news like that, and when it does, it gives you opportunity to buy a discount. So when this pops over 100, 101, I will sell the 2 I bought today, and then I put the money back in, and I'll do it again. All right? Because remember, we've got earnings coming up soon. You want to have all your money ready for earnings because there's always volatility. And if it goes up without you, that's fine. Let it run. Let it run. It will come back down again. Coca-Cola returning today. J&J had a bit of a pop and then back down again. But I'm not touching that. There's not enough movement in this. Doesn't move very much. One of those stocks, it's why you buy it. It's very safe dividend stock, but it's very slow to move. Google presented a bit of an opportunity today. Not much, though. Not much. Remember, we're still in a bear market, so things are still heading down. But Stephen's doing the drive home music. Thank you very much indeed. Just imagine if Elon Musk forms a partnership with Branson. You never know. You never know. Absolutely, you never know. Anything is possible. Arnold says, why you buy Tesla? I don't know what the question means. Do you want to rephrase that? I don't know exactly what that means. Tesla, I've got 8 now. 1 on my brokerage account, 8 here. I've got every intention of selling 1 over 195, make a few bucks profit and buy it back down again. I'm in profit. I'm 11% up, so I want to sell 1, and then I want to buy back 2 when it goes down again. I think it's only really worth at best 150 at best. Anyway, Lucid had a nice little pop today. Apple, Amazon. We talked about Amazon already. McDonald's still too expensive. Coca-Cola, J&J. We've done all that. What about today? Bitcoin is interesting. 1.1 today, 30,462. Oh, it's moving again. 30,000. It started to go. Bitcoin is moving again. Yeah, Bitcoin is moving. Bitcoin's got a bit of a pump on. Okay, let's record this right now. We got a bit of a break. Bitcoin is pumping right now. Let's do this. Let's make a video quickly as it is happening live. Okay. This is happening right now as we talk about it. That's the best we've had it all day. Let's have a quick look here. Now, I'm going to make a reaction video of where we see it going. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Bitcoin is breaking as we speak. Up again today. It broke 30,000. Now, I'm not the crypto expert on my channel. Ali Tizro is. Sensei Crypto is our expert on crypto. We do believe once we get above 31, 32, somewhere around there, seeing it going all the way back down to 15,000. My entry point always is 15,000 on Bitcoin. I do have 2 positions. I have my my long-term moon bag, as you like to call it. That's when I buy it when it goes down to really low prices and pick it up. But remember, 15,000 for a string of code never is cheap. If you can buy it for $1, that's cheap. 15,000 isn't cheap. You should always recognize and appreciate your money. But for me, I want to buy it back down at 15,000. I'm enjoying it though on the pump right now. What is causing this? If you follow Ali Tizro Crypto, Sensei Crypto on our channel, you can learn more from his website and Discord, and all the links are below for that. But right now, I just wanted to report this because we've been saying now for a week it would break out. And it has. We did say it would actually break out over the weekend, so we're a couple of days late. But, you know, within a week or so is pretty good, I think. But we predicted this, and we expect it to go down to 15,000, if not below, once we go up another 1,000 or 2. That's what we're doing. So there you go, a bit of a breakout for Bitcoin right now. Now, if you're interested, we're actually giving away our best ever giveaway. It's a $1,000 value, $100 in cash, and we're giving away a 15 hours of one-on-one tuition with Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius is our trader and does scalp trading every morning on our Discord channel. He's paid for a course where he's learned all the skills of scalp and day trading with charts and candles and all the ins and the outs of it. And he's going to provide you with one-on-one 15 hours of tuition, and then at the end of it, give you $100 to invest. Of your own money to go in there and hopefully by that time you'll know how it all works, make some money. If you'd like that, the link is below. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. I'll give you the link above my head as well. Just click above there and you can see the link to martynlucas.com/giveaway. So there we go. A bit of exciting news today on Bitcoin. It is pumping. We do expect it to go $1,000 or $2,000 more, and then we will then expect it to go all the way down to 15,000. Now, as I'm talking about that, I want to show you when we predicted it live during one of our shows with Ali Tizro, who's known as Sensei Crypto. I'm going to bring up his YouTube channel right now and share with you exactly the moment. So let's do it. This is I like to show you this because I can show you, exactly what we did. This is Sensei's channel. He's just started his YouTube channel, and this is his very first video. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share, we call it the Martyn Lucas Pump, because he played some of my music, and as he played it, the pump began. All right, so we're going to unmute it here, and you'll hear my music in the background. And let me just load this channel a moment and give you the links. So what we're going to do now is you're actually going to see it. All right. I wonder if I can bring it up full screen for you. Just bear with us now. We're going to do this. The music's a bit quiet, but here we go. You can see the moments that these pumps happened. I'm going to edit this video later on when it goes out. Yeah, there you go. You're watching the chart. This is the trade setup now. Can you see? Oh, hang on a minute. You've not got it on the screen. Bear with me a minute. Okay, here we go. Here's Ali's trade setup. See it? It's drawing in the line there. So we knew this was going to happen. This is a prediction that we suggested. He's setting up the trade, and you're about to see that what's called the Martyn Lucas Pump, right? This was live on his channel. Then we go to this point here.
This breakout on the Discord. This is the original trade setup on the Discord. 10x leverage. You are up 59%.
Okay. You can see it. And then we hit 50,000. We'll just take it from this point here. And can you hear him? He's playing my music. It's called the Martyn Lucas Pump now. The moment he played my music, this is what happened.
Oh, we've just missed it. We've just hit it again. It's 30k, everyone. Wow, what a trade.
Okay, you're about to see it again.
And these are some options open.
Okay, here is the Martyn Lucas Pump now. This is when it actually happens properly.
What is this song? I'm loving it.
Okay, we'll just go from here.
It's the Martyn Lucas Pump. Let's go.
There we go. Just as he starts playing, as my music crescendos, it goes up.
Check out the website.
There we go. There's just a little evidence there that we predicted that for you. We knew that was going to happen. Of course, we don't know it's going to happen, but just looking at the charts and the information, it led to that information. So there you go. That's what happened live on the show. Ali made that video to share with you what he was doing. So there we go. We're still seeing it go up. It's 30,443. Do think it's going to go down to 15 when this run is over. And I'm not taking any profits from my main investment which is in Ledger, because we know it's going to go there again and surpass that in the future. But we will sell it on our crypto challenge on my Coinbase. We will sell it. I would imagine Ali is going to give a signal pretty soon, actually, to take profits. It won't be that long, I wouldn't imagine. But anyway, we'll see when he does. There you go. So if you want more information, join us below. Look at the information below, and you'll see exactly the information around Ali Tizro and his crypto challenge. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, there we go. Just a little bit there. Let's come back here. What time did I put that out? Let's bring us up live a minute. We are at 24 minutes. 24 mins Bitcoin. That needs to be edited down with all that stuff going on in it. All right, and here is, hang on a minute, let's move on a second. The S&P, I'm going to keep my eye on Bitcoin just for a few moments. We're going to leave it there. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic, well, I've got an order to buy it at 318. Virgin Orbit 11. I'm not touching it now. I've got a video to explain why coming out soon. Tesla, as soon as it hits 200, something like that, 195, 200, I'll sell one. Lucid. Apple going down again. Amazon, just a bit of profit taking. Didn't continue rising. We wanted to go to over 100. We want to go to back up here again, somewhere around here, 101, and then we can trim off again. Just at 2. McDonald's still too expensive. Coca-Cola very expensive. J&J, anything under 160 now is where we're buying it. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco. Want to buy it at 7 and 8. Certainly not where it is now. Enphase. Bitcoin is still holding up, 30,420. Now, Tilray, been going sideways all day. It's interesting. It's not been going up and down. It's just been going sideways. If it was going up and down and it was getting tighter and tighter, then we would have expected a breakout. But this has got just so little volume in it right now. There's just not much to say about it. It's a story for the future. It's a stock for hold. Nothing really happening with it at the moment. Robinhood, I'm trying to get it to for 950. I bought it at 10. I bought it at 975. I'm up on it now, which is great. But I want to start getting to more like 500 shares of Robinhood if we get the chance. SoFi up today 1.35. IonQ had a big bounce this morning. It's way overpriced now. It's losing money. Well, it doesn't make any money right now. It's for the future. And people are getting a bit carried away thinking there's a bull market starting the moment the bear market begins and finishes. And that's not the case. But that's what people are thinking. So stocks like this for the future, people are really getting behind. But anyway, for me, it's too expensive right now. Let's have a look. Eric says, BTC, Eric, go. That's a crazy good price. Ali, what's a crazy good price? What are you talking? Which stock are you referring to? I'm buying 2 days after earnings on all my stocks. Very, very good indeed. Why is BTC going down to 15,000? Well, the best person to answer that question would be Ali Tizro, Sensei Crypto, here on the channel. Let me open up the broadcast lounge, UNO. You're not a member. If you are a member, I can invite Ali to call in and explain to you. But it's a member's perk if we're going to review the stock for you and go into detail. We can do that. But for our non-members, we just have to give the general headlines. But if you want to be a member, I will invite Ali to call in and explain why he thinks that. We'll make a video on it and we'll go into greater detail. But it's a member's perk. If I give everyone in-depth answers, it'll become your show rather than mine. Read it again, Ali Isle said. That's a crazy good price. I read it again. Still don't know what it means. That's a crazy... Oh, good prize. Okay, that's a crazy good prize with a Z. I got it. Okay, read it again. Sorry. Okay, I've got it. Now then, we had some new opportunities today presented to you. So if you scroll down, some of you have got unvalidated tickets. Some of you have got unvalidated tickets. It's given you a tick, but you don't have a validated ticket. Leave a comment on the Tilray video. Some of you didn't leave the exact right comment. And so it's given you a tick, but it's not validated, my end. So you might want to go and check that. Those of you that have done, leave a comment on the Tilray video. I can give you the list. There's 9 of you who did it. And if you look at what it says here, leave a comment on the Tilray video. Watch this quick video and leave a comment. Tilray for the win. Okay, there's the link. And a few of you didn't get the comment correct. So your tick is unvalidated. So I just thought I'd let you know that some of you have missed out on that. You might have a tick thinking you've done it, but it's unvalidated, okay? Because you didn't leave the correct comment. All right? So there you go, just so you know. Worth checking. Was I not sharing that on the screen? I wasn't, was I? I wasn't sharing it. Let me do that again. Okay. This is on the competition page, martynlucas.com/giveaway, where we're giving away $100 in cash and over $1,000 of value. 15 hours of one-on-one tuition, learning all about the trades and the candles and all the technicals with Ed Nevius, who has paid to do all the courses, and he's now going to give it you for free. There's the link if you want to take part. We've added a new chance for you to get some tickets today. You might have a tick because you clicked on it and entered it, but it's been unvalidated because some of you got the incorrect comment. All right, so what you do is you click on it, just read it, watch this quick video, and leave a comment. Tilray for the win. Some of you misspelt this, and it's come back as invalidated, invalid entry. Okay, so you've lost the 5 tickets, so you might want to go and check that. Okay. All right. I will let you know right now if anyone does it, because it'll tell me straight away. Okay, so I'll check it. Hello, family. Carlos Sanchez. How are you, Carlos? We've got our biggest ever giveaway coming up. You might want to join in. Just shared it on the screen for you. It's our best ever giveaway. A lot of fun, and every day we're giving you the chance to get extra tickets if you want that. All right, now then, let's have a little look. Today, another day. Brilliant. I've added no money at all, but today I've broken my all-time record again, and it's down to those. It's down to what I did with Tilray this morning, and also down to Amazon. All right, here it is. Let me share with you on the screen. There you go. 51,400 was our record. We're now at 51,410. It's only a small amount, but I'll take $10 profit. There we go. And the Roth IRA is doing well. Whoopsie-daisy. Let me change the screen. There we go. There we go. So nearly $10 up today on that. There's the Roth, and there it is. There's Bitcoin still holding up. But there you go. And the reason for it was Amazon. I bought 2. Even though it wasn't my all-time low, it was still a good position because I'm up on it. Remember the FIFO rule. It will sell the first in, first out. So whatever stock I sell, I'm making profit. So just always remember that. If you've got stocks, you know, and you're out of the money and you're selling, be very, very careful. Anyway, as you can see, I bought near the bottom. And Eric B got it right down here. I was about in the middle, somewhere about there. There I was, 3/4 of the way down. But it hasn't quite popped up enough to make it worthwhile selling it yet. But if it goes up another 50 cents to $1, I will sell 2 and we'll do it again. But Amazon's obviously always good to own. All right. Okay. Let me see if Carlos Sanchez has joined us. Carlos, what country are you from? Let me know what country you're from, Carlos. I've got a new feature on my channel. Are you oh, hang on a minute. That didn't work out right. What happened there? Try that again. Oops. Hello. There we go. That's better. Let's try that again. There we go. What country are you from? I'd like to send a special greeting in your native tongue. Are you from Spain, Carlos Sanchez, or Portuguese? It sounds perhaps Spanish. Right. Down very slightly now. Looking good. Bear with me. We're getting a couple little issues this afternoon. There we go. Few issues. So let me check who's watching right now. See how many people we got in. Oh, hang on a minute. What's gone on here? We don't want that. There we go. That's better. Excuse me for a moment now. I just had a few little issues there. Sorted it now. From Mexico. Okay. So I'm presuming you speak Mexican. Or it'd be Spanish, won't it? I don't think it's Mexican, isn't it? Let me have a look. Is there a Mexican? Or is it Spanish? Let me have a look. Mexican. No, there isn't Mexican. I'm assuming then it'd be Spanish. I'm here. Hello, Ali Isles. I'm here. Welcome. I messaged Trading 212. They won't give option to sell the newest bought stocks. All work the same anyways, as long as holding long term. Well, it does if you're up on the stocks. There are reasons to sell when you're down, obviously, for tax harvesting. But it's just worth knowing that you might want to sell when you're down. You might do it on purpose, and that's fine. But so anyway, it's just worth knowing though. If you don't know it and you think you're making a profit and you're not, you need to know, right? Okay, so here we go. This is for Carlos Sanchez from Mexico. All right. Welcome, Carlos, and all our friends around the world and in Mexico. Okay, here we go. This was especially for Carlos. Welcome, Carlos, and all our friends around the world and in Mexico. You ready? Here we go.
Bienvenido, Carlos, y todos nuestros amigos alrededor del mundo y en México.
There you go. Oh, we're getting a bit of a sell-off. Everything's, something's dumping. The S&P, look, that's a quick drop. Whoa, that's a quick drop. Hell, look at that. That's a big drop. Okay, time to pick up some discounts, folks. We've got Virgin Orbit is actually going up, which is bizarre. Rivian, okay, here we go. Tesla, opportunity knocks right now. Here we go. Some stocks are dropping off quickly. Apple, we're losing all our gains that we made today. Amazon. It's a quick. What did we do? No, I'm not gonna bother selling it. I've got money to buy more. I don't want to get a day trade use out of that. It's not really much point. For making so little money on it, it's not really much point. VOD should be about ready to pay dividends. VOD. Do you mean VOO? What's VOD? I'm not sure. Is that a stock, Nits? Just confirm to me that was a stock. I've not heard of VOD. Do you mean VOO? We've just received it just a few weeks ago. Anyway, Google. Right, where's the best opportunities right now? A quick drop. That's quite a dramatic drop. That. Microsoft. It's not huge, but it's just worth knowing. 20 to 3 in the afternoon. Normally, we get a bit of a bounce into the close. Today, we're getting the very opposite. So where are the opportunities? Bitcoin is still holding up. It's falling back a bit. It's going up again, though. Tilray. I've cancelled my order. Oh, Vodafone. Thank you very much indeed. It's Vodafone, right, VOD. Thank you for that. It's not one of my stocks that I own. Thank you, Nits. Thank you very much indeed. Robinhood, 1.42. SoFi. IonQ. Okay, nothing there. Ford. Okay, nothing there. Rio. So really, it wasn't much. It was just a brief moment. Nothing really went low enough to get anything. The S&P, I've still got 5% in it before I start buying any more. Yeah. Not really much in it at the moment. Oh, it's going again. It's trying to sell off. That's interesting. That's quite a sudden drop. It's not massive, I know that, but it's more than we've seen all day. 18 minutes ago before the bell goes. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, and the State of the Economy videos coming out. I'm just not quite ready to release them yet. And the S&P is definitely trying to sell off. Virgin Galactic, and that's interesting. Remember, when the markets sell off, the high-risk stocks sell off quicker. And then when the markets go up, the high-risk stock get bought up quicker as well. Keaton S., how are you? Welcome, Keaton S. Hi, Keaton, says Ali Isles. How are you today? Virgin Galactic. Getting ready. I'm sort of 80% now chance of a flight this week. That's the best I can give you, I'm afraid. Virgin Orbit. There we go. It's going back down again. A slight little ripple there, but nothing much. Rivian. I want to buy Rivian at 9. I want to buy Tesla. Sell. I got one share to sell of Tesla. That's all when it reaches 200. I've bought 8 now. I've added a few more today. And I want to sell one at 200. Apple selling off. I haven't got anything in my Roth right now. It's all in my brokerage account. I would like some Apple in my Roth, but it's very expensive right now. We've got the earnings seasons coming up for all these stocks, and we're going to cover all of it. If you want to know, it's still selling off. Might be some opportunity in a minute. On the homepage of our YouTube channel, upcoming live streams. Just go along and you'll see in date order. There you go. The next earnings is J&J, Tesla, Next Era Energy. We're doing about 20 earnings. We're coming into earnings season again now. And we'll cover them all live on the show. Thank you to all of you. I can end now. Who's been looping my music? Have you been looping my music? 43 votes. 23% have. I think that's great. Thank you for those that are supporting me. It's basically, I've committed my time to this channel. I've not been able to do enough music, and my music channel has suffered. However, thanks to my friends here, I've got... It's now up to 3,100. We've got 900 hours to go to 4,000. Heat map, I got a request here from one of my members. Carlos, you're a member. I'll come to you in a second. This is the heat map. Microsoft is the biggest loss, and Amazon. And Tesla is the biggest gainer. This is 15 minutes behind, though. It's worth noting that this software is 15 minutes behind. Carlos just said... Virgin Galactic is pumping. Let's have a quick look. Let's come back to it. Virgin Galactic. Yep. Doing good. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm trying to buy it at 318. My overall position will like that. I'm down 11% on it at the moment. My main position. There you go. That's my Roth IRA position. My main position. 336. My Roth IRA position, I've sold out. I sold it at 365, wherever it was, and I want to buy it back at 318. Hi, Ali and all. Keaton S., one of our newest members. Thank you so much indeed. So, Virgin Orbit's going down. Lucid. Amazon, Apple. Now then, I'm up 10%. It's very expensive. If we go scroll down and look at the earnings to price earnings ratio, 27 times earnings, still very expensive. Still very expensive. However, and the dividend isn't worth anything. I mean, it's nothing. It's insignificant. Not if you own millions of shares, of course, but for me, it's a few cents. I'd like to buy some more Apple, but it'd have to go down 15-20% before I start loading up on Apple, I'm afraid. But anyway, unless you want to scalp it, that's different. But as a long-term investment, I want it to go cheaper. Amazon's giving it back a few of the gains we made. Bought it down here. It's risen a little bit. If it had gone another $1, I would have sold the 2 and bought it back down again, because we are getting a bit of a sell-off now. No question about it. There's still this potential flash crash of 20% people talking about. I don't know if it's going to come. I think my portfolio is safe anyway, but I'm ready for it as much as I can be. I'm not selling anything. I'm just going to buy more when it goes lower and lower the averages. But there you go. Google, still expensive. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Enphase Energy. Oh, sorry, Next Era Energy, Enphase. Bitcoin, 30,194, holding up. Tilray, we're going to get nothing from Tilray, I'm sure. This is just going to go sideways. It might even trend down a bit lower, maybe as low as 220. I don't think the 205 is actually realistic. To be fair, they've got plenty of money on hand. They're doing all the right things. It's all about getting legislation passed. This company will explode. So it's all the shares I really need. I would like to buy some more Hood. I've got buys on everything anyway, so I can sleep on it. Nothing really matters. IonQ, down 1.61. There we go. All right, let's go back to the main position. There we go. So we're $80 down. We broke a new record, and then we just gave it away. But there we go. The biggest drop there is VU, which is great, actually, because that's the one thing I want to buy more of. I've only got 4 shares. I would love VU to drop 5% right now. I really would. That would suit me. Oh, it's going down further. Shall we watch it a second? That's a drop, no question. It's 14% of my Roth IRA and of my brokerage account. It's at 42%. So it's quite a drop, that, but I'm still up 5%. The highest I've ever been is about 6.5. So if we can give that up, that'll be significant. I'm expecting BTC back at 55,000 within 18 months. I think we're going to see it go to 15,000 first, though, DR Marriott. That's where we think it's going, but you can come to your own conclusions. Yeah, we're just giving up a little bit. 51,282, $120 now. We've just dropped back down. It's going down quick. That's quite a drop, isn't it? The S&P being sold off like that. Is this the beginning of the crash everyone was talking about? That's quite a dramatic sell-off there. Especially at this time of the day. 10 minutes to go. Normally with this sort of pattern, we get a bit of a rise into the close. This is interesting that this has happened. Still green, but very close to turning red now. Yeah, $100 away. I'm going to take off my jacket. It's a bit hot in here today. Might even take off my tie. We are getting a bit of heat in the old studio today. There we go. I've got a bit of a headache, if I'm honest. Oh, there we go. Taking my shirt and taking my jacket and tie off because getting serious now. My top stock is giving up its gains. I don't want to see that, but I see it as an opportunity. Oh, thank you very much indeed. Thank you. cup of tea from Leah. I see everything as an opportunity, never as a negative. I want the S&P to go down because I've got uninvested cash in my brokerage account. And remember, my brokerage account is money I'm not drawing out. I'm not taking it away. I'm not earning any interest from it. It's dead money. I want it to work. It's like the full Monty. Lewis, that's as far as we go, mate. He's thinking, thank God for that. Hi all, catching up on the stream. Thanks for the video. You're welcome, Sensei. We're going to edit that down later and try and make something out of that. Actually, you can leave you can leave your head on. Good luck, says Hassan L. There it goes. Oh, look at that. 7 minutes to go. That is quite a dramatic drop for the S&P. It's 44% of my portfolio. It's very significant to me. But let's have a look and see. Virgin Galactic is doing the very opposite. So this is breaking all the rules today that we follow. When the overall markets go down, normally what happens is high risk sells off. Virgin Galactic having none of it. People are buying in. That's very interesting. Very interesting indeed. So I haven't been in. The silly Billy broke his knee, and I will make you all laugh. I did it crawling across the floor. What the heck? Oh, hang on. Let's do that. Let's do it properly, right? Here we go. You can leave your head on. Mustang Sally. Forgotten the words. Lay your hand down, Mustang Sally now, baby. Oh my gosh, we're getting carried away. Virgin Galactic, something is fishing. Very, very odd to see Virgin Galactic go up like that. After hours email, perhaps. An after hours email. Something is a bit aloof. What is going on? To see Virgin Orbit has given up the ghost. Can we delist it? We all know that. Look at that. That is very, very strange. We're seeing Virgin Galactic pumping. And for Virgin Galactic, that definitely is. Which is great because I'm in it on my main account. So I'm enjoying that. I'm down 11%. Plenty of money in there. 336 is right balance for my portfolio right now. Someone get a small violin. So let's have a little listen here. Mark Corn is one of our original members. You notice he's actually one of the few who has a gold badge. That's a gold badge, not yellow. That is gold. I know it's a funny brown color, but actually it's gold. I haven't been in. This silly bloke broke his knee, and I'll make you laugh. I did it crawling across the floor. Can we? Are you in pain? Can we try to be sympathetic, please? Mark Corn is one of our original members. So you can either do get well soon, but knowing Mark Corn the way he is, you can just take the mick. He doesn't care. He can take it, silly Billy. All right, there you go. So copy and paste for our original member, Mark Corn. He's a gold member. He's got a gold badge. One of like 10 people to have one. And there you go. Copy and paste. You can take the mick out of him. He'll take it. He does very risque comedy. He can take it. It could be the fact that mine was sold. Yeah, very likely. I'm holding my long-term position. Hello, in pain. I can't even walk, Martin. Oh, you're in pain. So you're not happy. Okay, we'll change that. We'll change that. We'll be sympathetic. Get well soon, mate. We'll change it. All right? I want everyone to copy and paste, please. And get well soon, mate. He doesn't want sarcasm. He doesn't want sarcasm, even though he did it as a joke. There you go. Get well soon, mate. Come on, lay it on. Violins. Violins, please. Absolutely right. Get well, Mark. I tell you what, everyone flood the comments. This is a new feature on YouTube. Flood the comments. Here, what should we do? Shall we do smiley face? There we go. We'll do upset face. Is it working for me? I don't think I can do it. I can't do it. He won't let me do it. Can we do not laughing faces? Can we do upset? Hey, I'm doing it. Can anyone see that? There we go. I don't know if it shows up or not. Virgin Galactic, a small little pump, not much. There we go. We got the. I knew it. Yeah. We're not going to get any sympathy for Mark. He's our sort of channel comedian. So he's getting smiley faces. There we go. Sorry, Mark. There's no sad faces, I'm afraid. It just appears on the video. There you go. It also appears in the chat. It appears in the chat. Depends on what device you've got. Anyway, Eric B. So there we go. We're still selling off. We're sorry to hear that, mate. We're having a go here, but we are sincerely sorry. S&P 500. Big sell-off. That's a really big... That's a lot. We've gone from up 32 to 1/3%. It's not a lot, but it's the quickness of it. It's the quickness of it. But we've seen worse, a lot worse. It's okay. It's okay. He can take it. See, Virgin Galactic had a nice little dance there for a few moments. We got 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go before we ring the bell. Okay. Last few seconds to go. Ford put out a tweet about getting Launcher 1 back to orbit. Really? I'm not buying into that. I mean, who knows? Who's buying it this time? The moment they tweet and they expect everyone to buy back in again. The company's going into being delisted. I'm not buying that. Last few seconds to go. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. Virgin Orbit up 3% in the after hours. Look at that. Does anyone believe that? I have FOMO. I just bought 100 space. Don't have FOMO. Oh my gosh. Don't do it. Let it run. Who cares? Look. Don't do it. Don't have FOMO. FOMO is not your friend. It's the greed. It's the... Look, see? Look, they put a tweet out. Some clown bought it and it got dumped again. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's what I'm here for, right? To get the news. I've got 2 people today on Stockwits. It's why he asked you to join me. One was calling me Clueless Lucas because he wants me just to say that the stocks are always going up. He was talking about a rival on this particular case. The other one was saying you're a scammer about Virgin Galactic, because he wants me to always say the stock is going up. So, as always, I reply politely and I ask the question, why am I clueless? What don't I know that you clearly do? And I also said, you say I'm a scammer. In what way am I scamming anybody? I aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube. What exactly haven't I said that you know? And no reply yet. And one just come back, you're a scammer, I'm blocking you. So I replied to him, even though he can't see my comment, because he's blocked me. And I said, no worries, okie dokie, block away. And thanks for letting me know. I mean, you don't have to listen, you don't have to watch, you don't have to tune in. It's up to you what you do. But there you go. I won't hear from them. They won't tell me why they come to their conclusions, but these are the things that happen all the time. I made money from Orbit last week just using $1. Congratulations, Mark. We've all lost, well, several thousand. I'm 40 grand down with the Virgin brand, whether it's Virgin Galactic or Virgin Orbit, but I've made some of it back. But there you go. BTC gave back all the gains. Said Sensei. Let's have a little look straight back down again. There you go. Now, Ali, what is the strategy? What is the strategy? Do we own any Bitcoin in the crypto challenge right now? Do we own any? Now, as the bell has gone, I want to do something very special today. Ali's getting excited. I can sense Ali's getting excited right now. So, we, on a Friday, but today is a Tuesday. I make no apology for that. We like to help our members. And Ali is not just a member, he's a sponsor member. He's the highest level of members. In fact, he's not the highest. There's two above that. There's investor and there's platinum level. But he's pretty high up. He's a sponsor member, right? And sponsors go on the homepage of my YouTube channel, as you know, as does any of my silver members and upwards. And we like to help people get more subscribers. So look, there is Ali with his new YouTube channel. Boom, 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 on the homepage. Now, he's at 207 subscribers. So you know what we're going to do. We're going to have some fun right now. And we are going to get Ali some subscribers. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on his channel. And here he is. 207. We're going to get now. How many are watching the show right now? How many are watching the show? We want to help a fellow member. There's 30 watching right now. 207 subscribers. Let me zoom in. Let's get him to 215. 15. Here we go. You ready? All right. He's got his brand new YouTube channel out. He's got his very first video. It's a trial video. There you go. Let's do it. Everyone subscribe to Ali Tizro's Sensei Crypto YouTube channel. He's just released it. He's our member. We want to help him. There are 32 watching now. Let's get him 215. Let's refresh it. Here we go. I want to see 215. Let's go. Let's refresh it. See what happens. 207 should be 210 within seconds, I would imagine. I can't wait till I got 100,000 subscribers. 208. Okay, it's gone up 1. That's rubbish, right? Rubbish. Let's do it again. Come on, folks. I want 215. Everyone, if you want to follow our Crypto Experts YouTube channel, 208. I'll come back to that in a minute, and let's see it move. FOMO gets me all the time, Eric. Better being in than missing out. No, it's not. You don't want to be in when it dumps. The S&P has just sold off. Not a huge amount, but it is significant to see it move like that, quickly like that. But Virgin Galactic's giving up the gain again, what it made. So I didn't buy it. I'm only buying it at 318, then to 300. Virgin Orbit, it released a ridiculous tweet. Don't know if that's true or not. Well, we know it's not true. Virgin Orbit should be held accountable for that. If they know full well that's not happening, which they do, of course, that's ridiculous. They shouldn't be doing it. Space to the moon, M4TD, overreaction. Overreaction, people. This is the sort of stuff I get on StockQuits and Reddit. People get very angry with me because I call it as it is, and they don't like it. They go, you're always, you're talking rubbish, and you're a fraud, and you're a scammer. Just because I don't say that Virgin Galactic is going to the moon. There's no reason to suggest it is. There's no confirmation of anything. It could go to zero just like Virgin Orbit, even though I'm bullish, even though I'm investing in it, even though I rank number 1 for the search term. I believe in it. However, I'm also a realist. And who wants the false information? Is it some kind of joke that we all pretend it's going up so it does? I mean, maybe that works. Maybe that works. If everyone buys it, I guess it would go up, right? But there are other channels that do that, right? We want the truth here. And people don't want the truth. They just want me to say it's going to go up. Well, I'll say it's going to go up when I believe it's going to go up. That was a nice little pop, and it gave it straight up. People took profits. And the fact that people took profits tells you that no one's got faith in the stock right now. I've been saying for ages it's worth $3. That's where it went to. When I said that, it was at 15. People didn't believe me. No way is it going to $3. I said, yes, it is. No, it's not. Why? What's the reason? Give me any reason at all to tell me it's not. And no one's got a reason. It's just hopery and nonsense. Nonsense-y, that's what I call it. Anyway, just do the maths. Just read the balance sheet. It's all there right for you. But most people, they don't want to read the balance sheet. That takes too much effort. 186 Tesla. I'm going to sell one at 195. Just one. Take some profits back. Apple just gave up a bit of the ghost. That's where a lot of the money came from. Remember, Apple's a big part of the S&P. Tesla is a reasonable part of it as well, and that gave back as well. McDonald's. I'm looking for something to give me an opportunity, but there isn't. Not at the moment. There's not. It's why you want to set buy limit orders, because if something gets a surprise drop, by the time you see it, it's too late. Someone's already bought it. If Amazon went down, remember the earnings, the famous incident on our channel. We were watching the earnings live, and Amazon went down like, was it 10 or 20% in 1 second? I can't remember what it was now. And I had an order placed, and it went straight back up in 1 second. What happened was the earnings report was released. Was just like that, just exactly like that, except it was 20% rather than just whatever that was. Yeah, a couple of percent. Imagine that times 10. Exactly that. And that's the way to make money. And I set a buy order and a sell order at the same time, made money on it. And information gets leaked, and when it happens, you want to be ready. Always have buy orders and sell orders all ready to go all the time. And don't do them on the charts where everybody else is doing it. Don't go to the support line and go, that's where it bounces from. Go 1 or 2 cents higher than that, because everybody else is doing down there. And by the time it hits there, you miss it, and the buy order doesn't go through. So anyway, that's just what I do. Consistently making small profits all the time. And I didn't do that the first year. The first year, I'm just losing money all the time. Now, this year, consistently making money all the time. Don't believe me? I'll share it on the screen. There you go. Year to date, nearly 4 months now, 8.27. Consistently making money. No matter what happens, consistently making money. And that's it. Earning interest, earning 1% matches, earning 4% interest with Robinhood, the cash. See the cash down here? Uninvested cash, 4%. Plus the gains. I'm happy with that. Is it the greatest amount of money in the world? No, but it's a profit. And as long as I'm making profits, then I'm growing my YouTube channel. I'm making a bit of money, making some friends. Everything's great. Anyway, let's have a little look. Let's read the comments. We've got some new comments just come in. Rocket Labs, Nitz Fareld. If you remember, I will feature the channel and look at it for you. If you always say it goes to 3 and you are right, say it goes to 30. No, that's exactly what we're talking about. That's what everybody wants me to say. Everybody wants me to say, because I rank number 1 for... Let's get one thing straight. I cannot influence stock at all. Impossible. I'm a tiny little YouTube channel. I know I'm growing every day, and maybe one day I can, but you need millions of trades to influence a stock. Millions. Not just me buying a few thousand shares of a stock and then everybody else following me. I wouldn't do anything. And that just shows the ignorance sometimes of the people on Reddit, and particularly Reddit and StockWits. They get angry because they think I can influence stock. That shows they haven't got a clue what they're talking about. They sit in their mum's back bedroom tweeting and redditing, talking rubbish, pretending to be millionaires. We get them on the show all the time. I've just bought 1 million shares of this. Have you? How old are you? 6, and you live with your mum, and you're playing on your iPhone. We get it. We get it all the time. We all know who they are. We know who these people are. They're never members. They're never verified. They change their names. They do all sorts. And you know, I'm not going to say it's going to 30 because I believe it can trade to 100. Not because it's worth it, because it's how it will trade, but not just yet. I remember I was here. Great trade. Yes, you remember that, don't you? The Amazon thing. Brilliant. One of my best ever trades, that. And it wasn't clever. It wasn't clever. I didn't know something. I wasn't getting any inside information or anything. It was just the earnings is happening. Amazon makes money. The stock can be manipulated. You want to buy it. So look at where it bounces from. Go slightly above and go, well, if it goes to there, would I buy a couple of shares? Well, of course you would. And I just said, all right, 10% lower, I'll buy 2 shares or whatever it was. And it went boom. It's when it was like $3,000 a share or whatever it was. You remember before the 10-to-1 split or whatever it was. I can't remember now. It wasn't clever. It was just common sense, really. Anyone can do it. Anyway, Virgin Galactic's trying to go up again. Virgin Orbit selling off. We had a bit of a false start a minute ago. Somebody making up rubbish. I think we got a friend from Korea. Let me do it. Welcome our friends from around the world and especially in Korea today.
오늘 전 세계, 특히 한국에서 온 친구들을 환영합니다.
Mark Corn says, put my iPhone down. He's that person, isn't he? He's that person on Reddit. He is, isn't he? He's sitting there going, Martyn Lucas. That's him. That's Mark Corn right now. He's sitting there doing it now. He's sitting there doing it on his phone. You know he's doing it. I know, just kidding. I know, B. Joel, but it's right though, isn't it? You know, you would not believe the anger and the ignorance and the total nonsense of messages I get. You never see, because I block people that are scammers. I block people that are offensive and horrible. I reply to everybody. Unless it's obviously a bot, then I don't want to encourage a bot to come on my channel. But I do reply to everybody. I focus on my members. I'm still able to just about do everybody, but soon I'll only be replying to my members because there's just getting so many now. What's my favorite video game? Desert Strike. Desert Strike on the Xbox about 15 years ago. I played it all the way to the end. I got Saddam Hussein. I got him. I got all the tanks. I blew all the tanks up. Good, that. Desert Strike. Desert Strike on the Xbox. Really good. Enjoyed it. Anyway, everything you talk about with stocks makes so much sense. I've learned a lot from you, to be honest. Peter here. Where are you from, Peter? Where are you from in the world? Where are you from? I'd like space to bounce around $3 to $4 for another month or two. Is great for day trading and also gives me time to add a little more before gains. Craig, I get that. But you know what? There's always opportunity. There's always opportunity in something else. Let it go. Life is too short. I'm amazed. A few moments ago, somebody reported in here that Virgin Orbit have just tweeted they're going to fly again. Who the heck was that? Who was that? Who? Let me scroll up. Someone just said it. Martin and Barbie, Bitcoin Premier. Oh no. What have we got now? What is it now? Craig. What's that? What's the channel called? What's it called? The Barbie one. I want to go and look at it. Martin and Barbie, Bitcoin Premier. Craig, what's the name of the channel again? Remind me and I'll go and search for it. Let me scroll back down. Mullen, done. Mark Corn. Day trader of the day. We'll do that in a minute. If you always say it's going to 3, say it's going to 30. Where is it? Desert Strike. Classic. You're sure you don't mean the Mega Drive? Mega Drive. Oh my God, how many years ago was that? Yeah, Desert Strike. Classic. Brilliant, wasn't it? Do you remember that? Keaton S. Do you remember it? All the little helicopters and all the little sand dunes, and there was like a hidden thing in the sand dune, and there's a little hump in the desert, and you shot it, and you blew it up. I love it. Desert Strike. You shoot it. Yeah, the Mega Drive. You remember you put the thing on the top. You had an Xbox, and you put the Mega Drive on the top. Oh, it was you. It was Craig. Fight Channel. That's the one. Fight Channel. Good afternoon. Yeah, Fight Channel. So was that? I know from you. Obviously, it's a real tweet because you remember. But someone tweeted that. I cannot believe. I mean, how can you tweet and say Virgin Orbit is about to fly? How can you tweet that? We all know what's going. I've got the video coming out about the unseen email I've got access to. It's why it's taking me some time to get it all right. I loved it. 8 Hellfire missiles. Jungle Strike. Oh, Jungle Strike. Jungle Strike. I had that as well. I love Jungle Strike. Posted tweet on Discord. Stock news. Thank you very much. Let's go and have a look. Oh, yeah. Fight Channel. I got to do it. Apparently. Good afternoon, family. The Queen of Self-Braiding is back. How are you? Right. Okay. Here we go. So, here we go. Fight Channel. Is he in? Is he in the channel today? Is Fight Channel here? No, he's not. He's too busy making Barbie videos of me. Right, here we go. This is what happens when you get YouTube famous. People start making channels about you. I remember my all-time favorite program is Detectorist. And Bitcoin is surging. Oh, here it is. What is this? Flipping heck, I just said this 5 minutes ago. He does it the moment I say it. Look at this. This was made. He calls me Marcus Lucas, though. I don't know why he calls me Marcus Lucas. That's interesting. He does that. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's see. This was posted minutes ago. Flipping heck. He's on it like hell of a quick.
Come on into the Barbie and Marcus. Look at you, ladies and gentlemen.
It's only a second long. Look, here we go. You ready? This is my biggest fan. This is Barbie does Martyn Lucas. Here we go. All
right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on into the Barbie and Marcus. Look at you, ladies and gentlemen. We got some breaking news from our co-host, ladies and gentlemen. Talking about Bitcoin. I don't know nothing about Bitcoin. I just know it's some type of digital crap. I don't know. But look at the breaking news right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Breaking news. What's going on? On Martyn Lucas Investor, Bitcoin is breaking as we speak. Up again today. It broke 30,000.
I just did this
now,
2 minutes ago.
I'm not the crypto expert on my channel. Ali Tizro is Sensei Crypto.
Oh
is
my
our
gosh.
expert on crypto. We do believe once we get above 31, 32, somewhere around there, seeing it going all the way back down to 15,000. My entry point always is 15,000 on Bitcoin. I do have two positions. I have my.
He's copied all the way along to there. Let me get.
Long-term
I don't need that.
like
right, here we go.
Here you go. A bit of a break.
All right, thank you, Marcus, ladies and gentlemen. Is Bitcoin going to the moon, or will it crash if it hit 31K, ladies and gentlemen? Stay tuned. Got some more great stuff coming on our shows here, ladies and gentlemen. That's just breaking news here, ladies and gentlemen, from the Marcus and Barbie Show, ladies and gentlemen. We see you then. Peace out.
There you go. This is what happens to you. This is what happens when you do. Bloody hell. There you go. You never know what's coming up next. That was made like 2 minutes ago. Oh, yeah. Hey, Craig. Ed Nevius. How are you, Ed? Ed. Our giveaway star is going. It's going so well. Look, now we have 565 tickets on our giveaway, Ed. This is Ed Nevis's giveaway. $1,000 value. 15 hours of one-on-one training to learn about candles, charts, all the technicals, and so on and so forth. We gave you a new opportunity today to get some more tickets, but there are about 9 of you who did the bottom thing here. Leave a comment and your tickets are unvalidated because you did not leave the correct comment. Tilray for the win. If you don't get it right, your tickets are invalidated. So go and check. Some of you misspelt it. Tilray for the win. So go and check that. That is our new chance this morning for you to get some more tickets. I will tell you now, look, 565. Let me go and refresh it. It's free to enter, free for all. 1 ticket is enough to win, but we're giving you more chances to play along. There you go, 565, 16 days to go, $1,000 value, and it ends live on the show April the 28th. And every day you come back to the YouTube, come back to the website, there are more chances. So don't miss out on that. Okay? Thank you, whoever it is, giving me all the love in the chat. I'm seeing all the confetti things fly up. That's brilliant, that. Okay. Just subscribed. We got a friend just subscribed from Korea. I think that's Korea. Let's do that again. Here we go.
오늘 전 세계, 특히 한국에서 온 친구들을 환영합니다.
There you go. Keaton S. If Virgin Orbit fly again after sacking all their amazing, hard-working team, then that is outrageous, frankly. I agree with you. And it's a total and utter manipulation of stock and everything else. And Richard Branson would have no credibility left if that happened. So I just had some information sent in to me by Craig about that very thing. Virgin Orbit, here we go. Twitter post. Let me have a look at this. This is on Twitter right now. And let's have a little look. I'm looking at the next up. Rocket 8 takes the stage. I can't see, Craig, I can't see where it says they're about to launch. Factory in Long Beach to discuss our go-forward plan, focus on getting launched back into orbit. Okay. I'm looking at the post. Right, this is why news is so important to get right. Virgin Orbit are not going back into orbit. What this says here, and it's very, very important to get this right. CEO Dan Hart, remember there's a lot of mudslinging going on, and I'm going to share with you about it later on. I gathered the team in the factory in Long Beach to discuss our go-forward plan, focus on getting Launcher 1 back into orbit. This is so, so important. This is not... In fact, I'm not going to give you the answer to this because it's part of what's coming out in my video later. So I'm going to just not tell you. You've got to watch the video later. He got the video out quicker than you. I know, Sensei. It's ridiculous. I don't know how he did it. I'm going to respond to that later. Very, very important. Very, very important. This is how news can get wrong. Anyway, I'm not going to reply to that. It's part of my video coming out later, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to leave that. Craig, thanks for that information. It's all in my video coming out soon. If Fight Channel wins the competition, Ed might have to do a 15-hour one-man training session with Barbie. If Fight Channel wins the competition, Ed might have to do a 15-hour one-on-one training. Knowing that Fight Channel is watching my video show right now, I might as well say this because I know he's watching, right? So, you ready? Okay, I know what I'm going to do. Okay. Now, Barbie, I know you're watching my channel right now. Now, I want to invite you onto the show. I would like Barbie to be live on my show, giving your thoughts on Bitcoin. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on Bitcoin, because I have something I want to ask. The other day, I went down to a shop, and I was looking to buy my daughter a new Barbie doll. And I went up to the shopkeeper and I said, do you have any Barbie dolls? And he said, yes, we do. Do you want the living one or do you want the actual Barbie doll itself? I said, no, I don't want the living one. The living one's on a YouTube channel called the Fight Channel. No, what I want the little toy that I can give to my daughter. And he said, okay. He said, which one would you like? Over here, we have Sporty Barbie. Sporty Barbie comes with lots of sporting equipment, jet skis and weights and bikes and stuff like that. I said, okay, sounds good. He said, we've got another Barbie. I said, you got Travel Barbie. Travel Barbie comes with everything you need to go on holiday, to go and, to have a holiday. So suitcases, Louis Vuitton suitcases, passports, sunglasses, whatever. I said, okay, what else have you got? He said, we've got Space Barbie. Okay, what does Space Barbie come with? Well, Space Barbie comes with a rocket from Elon Musk, a special crash helmet, even a Virgin Galactic space station. Fantastic. I said, what's this one on the end? It seems to come with quite a lot. He said, that's quite a unique one. That one on the end is a one-off. It's a collector's piece. I said, well, which one is it? He said, it's Divorce Barbie. I said, that sounds interesting. What's Divorced Barbie? And he said, well, it's very expensive because Divorced Barbie comes with Ken's house, Ken's boat, Ken's car, Ken's money, Ken's kids, Ken's basically everything. I said, that's the one for me then. So, Barbie, I know you're watching this. Are you divorced Barbie or are you happily married Barbie? Because I've just seen Divorced Barbie down my local shop and it's very well kitted out. It has everything that used to belong to Ken. Maybe you can come on the show and let me know your thoughts. Oh, man. Eric has got to go. Peace out. Funny how he says, ladies and gentlemen, so South Park-ish. Yeah, I know. It's Marcus Lucas too. It should be Martyn Lucas, right? Bloody hell, I should read things. Silver Surfer by Eric. Love smashing new buttons, Ed Nevius. Link takes you to an old YouTube video from a year ago, though. Yeah, I bet it does. I know. It's why I'm going to announce the video I've got coming out is coming out. Nearly finished the Mullen song. Thank you, Silver Surfer. Yes, Barbie, call in on Discord. Barbie should call in. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Marcus Lucas. Anyway, I tell you what, Fight Channel does get a lot of publicity out of me. He needs to start giving me super chats, I think, when he comes in. Martin, do the bad joke noise now. The bad joke noise? Why? Has someone got a bad joke? What, for my own joke? I thought my joke was good. What was wrong with my joke? What was wrong with my joke? Explosion, side whistle. Have I got the bad joke noise? I don't think I've got it here. My computer's going slow, so I'm running things manually at the minute. So yeah, it's not in the I haven't got it. So I can't. There you go. I know you want to hear it, but you can't. Terrible. I know. It's not an excuse. It's the reality of the situation. Right. We've come to the end of the show. Time to go. I've got videos to finish off. Let's have a look at what's happened here. The S&P is just flat now. Virgin Galactic is still trying to go up. Virgin Orbit still selling off. Any excuse? Yeah, it is an excuse. It's a really good excuse as well. I'm pressing buttons and nothing's happening. Okay. It's one of those days where I have to manage things manually. Apple, any opportunity before we close? Amazon, not really, not cheap enough. McDonald's, McDonald's isn't McDonald's just doing great right now? Look at that. Is that the perfect chart? Look at this. This is the perfect chart right now. McDonald's, look at that. Perfect chart. A decent dividend. If you could just be in on McDonald's right now, it's just absolutely great. I nearly had it, but it's very expensive, way too overpriced right now. 34 times earnings. For this industry, it's very expensive, but it's a great blue chip stock, of course. You know, it's doing good, but it's too expensive right now. You want to buy it on a dip, but there's no dip in sight at the moment. It's continually straight up. One of the best stocks you can own right now. 75% in 5 years, plus the dividend of 0.81. So it's a really, really good stock. But I have one share of it. It's up 10%. I've only owned it for a short while. But anyway. Coke. 0.18. Oh, that's interesting. In and out very quickly. Schifferler Stephen, good evening. How are you? Vorb, what the hell? I have a special Virgin Orbit video coming out very shortly, and it will be subtitled in Korean, just for all my friends in Korea.
곧 특별한 천여 궤도 비디오가 나올 예정이며 한국에 있는 모든 친구들을 위해 한국어 자막이 제공될 것입니다.
Schifferler Stephen, good, thank you. Lovely to see you. Hey, I got a super chat. I've not had a super chat for days. That's the first one in a week. I was thinking this is going to be my worst month, April. March was great. March was my birthday, and we had a lot of fun in March, and we had St. Patrick's Day. And ever since that, the last week of March, it's been like dead. I'm thinking, oh my gosh, this is going to be the first month. Every month my channel grows. I thought this is going to be the first month I'm actually going to be in quite trouble here paying the bills. It was like hardly anything. So thank you, Silver Surfer. That's made my day, actually. Right, I've just doubled my income today because I earn about $5 a day on YouTube. So that's really great. Thank you so much indeed for that. And the trouble is, my system isn't playing the overlays at the minute. I don't think I can play it. I'm going to try because it's what we do. Overlay. See if I can. I don't think it's going to play. Yeah, it's not even showing. I've lost connection. I need to reboot my computer. So I can't do the celebration. Thank you so much indeed. I want to do it, but it won't let me. Run the scene. Yeah, it's not going to work. Thank you though, Silver Surfer. Cheers, mate. Appreciate you so much. Tesco. Hey, Swangan7. What's going on? I haven't seen Swangan7 for ages, and he comes in with a super chat. What's going on here? This is Norway. What's going on here? What's going on? Why is this all of a sudden happening? I like nothing. It's like bloody buses. You get nothing for nothing for like 3 weeks, and then suddenly, right, Norwegian. Here we go. Good evening, Swangan from Norway. It's wonderful to see you, and thank you very much for my wonderful super chat. Thank you so much. Right, what's going on here?
God kveld, Svangan fra Norge. Det fantastisk å se deg, og tusen takk for min fantastiske superchat. Tusen takk.
There you go. That's in Norwegian. Sensei. Sensei's just come in with a super chat as well. What language do you want? If you give me a super chat, you can pick a language. All right. I'm going to... what is it? Is it Vulcan? Is it Vulcan? I think it is. Can I do it in Vulcan? No. I can do it in Zulu. Yeah. Zulu? Sensei. Sensei, you're gonna have thank you very much in Zulu. All right, this is what it sounds like. Oh, you can have it. You can have it in Zulu. I don't think you can have it in Zulu. Thank you very much. Sensei Crypto, this is in Zulu. No. It won't play it. No, it won't play it. There's obviously no recording in Zulu. Anyway, Klingon. Oh, Klingon, that was it. Does it do it in Klingon? Let's have a look. Silver Surfer. Let's have a look. Remember, this is Google. This is not YouTube now. I'm looking at... yeah, no, you can't... There isn't Klingon. There isn't Klingon. Sorry. Sorry. You can't have it in Klingon. Not on Google Translate. You can't. Anyway, let me read these messages. No fireworks for you. Unfortunately, no fireworks tonight. It's broken. I can't do my fireworks. We're doing an after hours show now. The main show is finished. I've got to go. Otherwise, you're not going to see the Virgin Galactic Virgin Orbit video. You're not going to see it. All right? Hedge funds and other spectators amassed the largest short position since November 2011. Let me read this from 22. Hedge funds and other speculators amassed the largest short position since November 2011, when the US sovereign credit rating was downgraded. According to Bank of America data, investors have been selling US stocks across the board for the past 2 weeks as they prepare for Wednesday's closely watched inflation print. That is tomorrow. I feel like we're about to get a sell-off. Well, I've got money on hand if we do. Remember, when we get sell-offs, it always presents opportunities for those to buy back in and do it all over again. So, just because things go down doesn't mean to say it's going to stay there. Nobody wants to just... makes no sense the market's going backwards. Everybody at some point wants to buy back in again. Ain't it funny how one super chat brings more of them in like dominoes? I know! It's brilliant, isn't it? It's brilliant, Silver Surfer. Anyway, I didn't get any more super chats, so I can't do any more languages. Sorry about that. Right, I've got to get off then. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go now. We're preparing for tomorrow. Virgin Galactic still going up. I'm only buying at 318. I'm holding my long-term position. Virgin Orbit, ridiculous news there. We just shared it with you. The video's coming out soon. Tesla, I want to buy more. Was hoping to sell back one at 195, 200, but it's not quite happened. Lucid, an unqualified pump today. Hey, Mike has given me a super chat. I'm so sorry I can't do fireworks. So annoying. I can't do fireworks. I'll have to do extra fireworks tomorrow, won't I? Thank you, Mike. Vorb. Yes. Did I explain that? I want to do that. That's English to Korean. We get that firework. You get that firework, just not the fancy fireworks, right?
곧 특별한 처녀 궤도 비디오가 나올 예정이며 한국에 있는 모든 친구들을 위해 한국어 자막이 제공될 것입니다.
Okay, this is especially for Silver Surfer and shall I sing it for Barbie? Because we know he's watching. We know Fight Channel's watching. Fight Channel, this is for Barbie, right? Here we go. Okay. Let's do it. Love on the rocks, ain't no surprise. Pour me a drink and I'll tell you some lies. Got nothing to lose, just sing the blues all the time. Hello, my friends, hello. Where it began, I can begin to know it. Who'd have believed you'd come along? I said hands, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Oh, sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good, yeah. I've been inclined to believe they never would. There we go. Neil Diamond, that was especially there for Silver Surfer. Love it, mate. Keep your fireworks. I'll take the vocals any day. There we go. That was especially for Silver Surfer. Hey, I like all the little logos. What's that you've got in there? Mike, what are those little logos? What are those logos there? I can't quite see them. They're very small. Turquoise fate. What is it? Those little logos. Vorb versus the Nasdaq.
곧 특별한 처녀 궤도 비디오가 나올 예정이며 한국에 있는 모든 친구들을 위해 한국어 자막이 제공될 것입니다.
There you go. That's cool. I didn't know it's got all the save stuff as well.
Bienvenido Carlos y todos nuestros amigos alrededor del mundo y en México.
There you go. I'm discovering new things every day. Swangen. Did we do... yeah, Swangen. Look, see? It's very clever, this, isn't it? Norwegian. There you go. Look at this. How clever is this?
God kväll Svangan fra Norge. Det fantastisk å se deg og tusen takk for min fantastiske superchat. Tusen takk.
There you go. Sounds good. Right. What's going on? I think it's time to go. Drinking soda. I think it's time to go, isn't it? It's time to go. Everybody, hi, bro. Sard Dalanzai. Hello, how are you on TikTok today? Thank you very much indeed. Hello, what's up, Martin? We're over here on YouTube right now, and we're giving away our best ever giveaway. It's $1,000 in value, $100 in cash, and I always undersell and over-deliver, okay? You're going to get 15 hours of one-on-one tuition with Ed Nevius, who is our trader and scalp trader who does all our trades in the morning on Discord, providing you with 15 hours of one-on-one tuition, which he has paid to learn. He's giving to you for free, and at the end of it, he's giving you $100. If you want it, come into YouTube right now. The link's in the profile, and I can give you the free link. It's on our channel. It's free to enter, free for all. It's our biggest and best ever giveaway. Eric B. And 9 others of you, your comment for the Tilray video this morning is invalidated. You didn't do the comment correctly. So I'm just letting you know, go to the competition page. This is the competition page, and click on the Tilray video, and you need to go and do it again. You didn't leave the correct comment. You didn't leave the correct comment, all right? If you go and check, you'll know you didn't do it. So your tick is invalidated. I'm just letting you know. Here is the what I'm talking about. Over here on the competition page, scroll down, and the one you did down here, right at the bottom, leave a comment for the Tilray video. You went on this one, and 9 of you clicked it, did it, but you didn't do it correctly. There's the video. It says there, look, watch this quick video and leave the comment. Tilray for the win. It's right there, look. Some of you didn't do it properly. It's right there. And so your comments have been invalidated. So you'll lose 5 tickets. You don't want to do that, do you? You don't want to do that. We need to read the things, Eric. Yeah, I don't know why no one's reading anything. I've got to come on here and say, oh, you got it wrong. You got the tick, but then it comes back and invalidates it. So you've got to do stuff right. If you don't do them right, you get you get nothing. So anyway, you don't want to do that. Read it properly. I don't know how else to tell you. Who else? Who else is on the toilet right now? Oh, flipping heck. There you go. See that? I always tell people that people watch me on the toilet. It's part of life, right? It's part of life. Just YouTube. Even Unity are now again final checks before flight. Not today. I know. That's as much as I can say. I know. But M4 TD TTD, it's people were telling me yesterday it was going to fly today, or yesterday and today, and I said no, it's not, and it didn't, did it? Yeah, Chew, get off the toilet and get with it. All right, absolutely right. Okay, so let's have a look at our overall positions. It's coming back up again. The Roth's come back up again. I just received a special gift. Eric, you did another gift. Can I just say, only because I want to share that you gave me a tip, right? If you do it through, because you've got Amazon, you've got Robinhood, do it through gifting. 1, it's instant. 2, it's free. But 3, the most important, you can put your name on it and make a little card, and I can share it on the screen with everybody. It'd be really, really great, because I can see you've given me a tip, because I know it's you. You're the only person who gives me Dogecoin, so I know it's you. But it doesn't say who it is. It just says incoming and Dogecoin. And so what I'm saying is, if you can do it with gifting whenever you want to do it, I can share it on the screen, and that would be absolutely brilliant. All right, that would be absolutely brilliant. Thank you so much indeed. It won't let me reduce it. It won't let me what do you mean? Look, I did it. It won't let me reduce it. Reduce what? It won't let me reduce it. What do you mean reduce it? What does reduce it mean? Oh, it won't let me. It won't let me. Do you mean redo it? Do you mean it won't let me redo it? Is that what you're saying? Just go to the. Do you mean redo it? Just go to the video and leave the right comment. Then it will validate it. So you just use the link and go to the video. Have a big option. Here we go. Have a big option. 2.5 Bitcoin, 31 strike price for tomorrow night. Praying for low CPI. Now we are covering CPI in the morning. We want to see inflation going down. This is what everyone is expecting. This is what's important tomorrow. Inflation. Good luck, Ali. It's still got 50 times leverage open on ADA and Bitcoin from about 2 months ago, says the Silver Surfer. Thanks for all the love. Someone's giving me loads of love in the chat. Really helps the channel, by the way. Look, this is what we're talking about right now. Why everyone's talking. This is what we're talking about. Tomorrow morning, inflation rate, it's not CPI. Oh, yes, it is. Beg your pardon. CPI. We're looking at core inflation. This is what we're looking at tomorrow morning. And as you can see, core inflation rate year on year. The consumer price inflation rate in the United States, which excludes volatile items such as food and energy, eased for a fifth consecutive month to 5.5% year on year in February 23, the lowest since 21. The reading was in line with the market estimates. So that is what we've got for February. Well, what we're looking now is March, and we want to see that continue. Now, some people don't think that's going to happen. What do you think? Where do I leave the gift link? Just do it. Just do it as a private message. You know when I sent it to you, I did it as a private message. The reason why you don't make that link public, because anyone who clicks on it will get it. All right? Don't leave it public, for God's sake. What you do is you put it in a private message, and then I open it, and then I can share it on the screen. It's really exciting. All right? And I'll do it so everyone can see it. Yeah, to do it in Discord. Good luck, Ali. Thanks, Mike. Yes, wish Sensei the best. He scares me with all these flipping options trades. How much will you make on the trade? A lot. He won't tell you how much. He'll just go, yeah, a lot. Be careful. I don't like doing stuff like that. That scares the hell out of me when you do stuff like that. Anyway, I always worry that when you do trades like that, are you going to be here in the morning? So anyway, so there's my Dogecoin, and in a minute you'll see it'll come up. The gifting. It's really, really cool. Who's doing the 100%? That is brilliant. Whoever's doing that in the chat, it's brilliant, by the way. It helps the channel. Anyway, 31 strike, 2.5 Bitcoin, meaning, for example, if the price of Bitcoin is 32,000 at the expiry time, it will be a difference between 1,000 and 2,500. Bloody hell. We'll send you Mullen's song tomorrow on Discord. Thank you. I've got to get and do that. I've got so many things to do. I can never say I'm bored. I can never say I've got nothing to do. I've got so much to do, and you guys keep giving me more and more stuff to do. Anyway. I've just got a private message here. I don't know if I can read it out. What does it say? What did I just say here? Hang on. Just got a private message. There we go. Okay. Got a private message. I can't read it out. Silver Surfer. Oh, it's me, Mike. I knew it'd be Mike. That's why he's the best, right? I haven't forgotten your mug, Mike. I haven't forgotten your mic. I haven't forgotten your mug, Mike. You know what I'm saying, right? Okay, we're over time. We've got to go. Don't forget my mug. Sent you. Yes, I see the logo. Let me open it. Let's see if it's any better. I don't think it's any different. It's the same. It'll be perfectly fine for the mug, but that looks the same size. It looks the same size to me, but I can't tell until I check it. Obviously, if you use an emoji creation software, that's probably why it's low resolution. It's big enough for the mug, but it wouldn't work very well for a t-shirt or something bigger. But it'll work for the mug, Ali. Anyway. Mike's getting a mug. Yeah, he might do. He might do. We got a special mug coming. So one off, only one ever in the whole world allowed. It's a special thing. It's a secret. It's a top secret mug. Yes, Silver, I'm getting one soon. He is. Ha ha, he's been waiting about 6 months for it. He only won the competition like beginning of the year. 4 months later, he's thinking, when the bloody hell is it coming? Virgin Galactic, I'm gonna go. I don't know why I've carried on so long. I've got so much to do. Mike Surfer and Ali need a mug. Everyone needs a bloody mug. All right? I know everyone needs a mug. Let me see how many people are watching. I've got to go. This is ridiculous. Why do I just pull the plug? Oh, Rob Brennan. Oh, I'm so glad you're here. Rob Brennan. Okay. What's your average in space now? Rob, I need to speak with you a moment. I've done some thinking. Remember you asked me the other day, would it be okay if I use your logo for my channel? Now, I'm presuming the Martyn Lucas News is your channel. Is that your channel? I just want to be absolutely clear before, because obviously I don't know. I want to make absolutely certain it is your channel first of all. Martyn Lucas logo. Martyn Lucas News it's called. So this is an important thing for one of our members. I'm just waiting to hear back from Rob Brennan. Martyn Lucas News, it's called. Rob, are you in the channel? Let's see. I'm just waiting to hear back from Rob Brennan. Rob Brennan. No, it's not. It's not you. Okay, so before I want to ask then. I want to ask, and can someone say if you own this channel? Can someone in the chat say if you own this channel? I thought it was Mike. Mine is called Martyn Lucas Highlights, I believe. Can someone just say quickly if you own this channel here, Martyn Lucas News? Anybody? Martyn Lucas Highlights. I'm giving you the chance now just to say if it's you. And, okay, Martyn Lucas Highlights, fine. Brilliant. Nobody? Nobody want to say? Okay. Okay. I thought it was Rob Brennan. Because basically, what I want to say is I thought it was Rob Brennan. It's not. Because I said I don't mind you doing it. However, the person who's done it has used my logo, and it's causing confusion for people. So I want to give someone here the chance to say it's theirs, and then I can just ask you to change it. Take that logo down and make it your own logo. I don't mind people doing it for fun and spoofing me. That's fun. It's fun, but it cannot look like you're trying to copy my channel, because if that's the case, I will have it removed. And I said I don't want to do that. Martyn Lucas Clips. This is the channel Rob made. I haven't uploaded anything yet. Martyn, that's fine. Well, there's another one. There's a Martyn Lucas Highlights as well. That's Martyn Lucas Clips. Another one. Martyn Lucas Clips. Let me have a little look. Filters. Change the channels. Martyn Lucas. There we go. I don't see Martyn Lucas Clips. coming up. So that's not Martyn Lucas Clips. No, that isn't what you've called it. Rob, you've called it Martyn Lucas Highlights. That's fine. So Martyn Lucas News. I've been trying to contact now people for a week, and I've got no feedback. So unfortunately, Martyn Lucas News. I've been trying to contact people for a week, and no one's said. So I'm going to have it removed. I've tried to ask for it to be change that. Okay. Rob, you are fine. With what you have done is absolutely fine, because it's obvious, a fan thing, it's fun, and I get the copyright and I allow it, it's fun. You can do what you want. But Martyn Lucas News is trying to rip the channel off. And you may not be doing it on purpose, and I'm sure anybody here won't be doing that. But I've tried to contact and I'm getting no response, so I'm going to report it. Unfortunately, unless it was anybody here, if it's anybody here and it's yours, tell me, and I'll more than just change the logo, and you'll be good. Yeah, they can't. I'm happy for anyone to have a fun channel, but if you're copying my logo, I will have it removed. No emoji creation from me. Oh, Photoshop. It was a Photoshop. So if it was done in Photoshop, Ali, you should be able to have a PNG or a Photoshop file. But anyway, I was only looking at it in Discord. Maybe you compressed it when you sent it, because you can't send full-size images on Discord. It may be that, and you maybe want to send it in a different way. Anyway. Let me change the screen a minute. I'm studying at the moment. We'll start doing clips, highlights soon. Okie dokie. Assuming I shouldn't upload any clips. Correct. Nothing from members only. Yeah, correct. Otherwise, it defeats the object. Hey, I just got 12 Dogecoin. I think it's from. I think it must be from Eric B. Thank you very much for the Dogecoin tip. That's it's about $1. Thank you guys. Thank you very much indeed, Eric B. That's very kind of you, mate. Now let me go to Discord a minute, and just checking my messages. No, there's nothing in there. Okay, cool. Mike's slaying with his Lucas mug in hand. There you go. Mike's on it. I'll send a Photoshop file as well. Yeah, that's what you need. Don't compress it. Don't do anything like that. And that's what we need. And then it'll be better quality. Assuming I shouldn't upload any clips, that's correct. There you go. Okay. Well, you're all witness then. I tried to reach out about the Martyn Lucas News. Couldn't get any response. It's a shame. But there's no way of me contacting them. It's why it's important to, on your channel, put a contact me button. So there's ways to contact you. If there is, then you can deal with, you can talk to someone and give them the chance to, change it. But when it's impersonating me, that's not good. Okay. Time to get off. All right. I've got to get off. I've got videos to make. Let me do day trader of the day. Let's see who's up and see who's down. I'm down 0.35. There we go. Down 0.35. Grady, we never put our mugs in danger. Down 0.35. Here we go. I can't do the timer, I'm afraid. But nevertheless, I will do the music. Can we have a poll? Yes, we can. I'll just stop the music a second. What was the poll you'd like? Ed Nevius, what's the poll you would like? Ed Nevius, what is the poll you'd like? We'll do day trader of the day and then we'll come back to your poll, okay? 1 minute, folks. going to give it just a few more seconds. I think everyone's behind the stream. Click the like button and come up to date. Okay, how many want silver to get a free mug? Nobody wants him to have a free mug. No one cares. All right, time's run out. No one posted their scores. What is going on here? Ed Nevius, he's a member, so he can have a poll. How many want silver to have a free mug? I can't believe this. Start a poll. Oh, it's because I'm already running one. Okay. Let me end the poll a minute. We're at 3,100 thanks to all of you that have been doing my music. Thank you to all of you. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's a massive super chat. Mohammed Kahine. How are you, mate? How are you? Happy Friday, Mr. Luke. Happy Friday? Happy Friday? Hang on a minute. What's going on here? Happy Friday? It's Tuesday. What's going on? What's going on? He's come in with a super chat and gone, Happy Friday. What's going on? What have you made money on today? I love it. I don't even know what's going on. How come it's Happy Friday? Mr. Lucas, thank you so much. And how are you, mate? Great to see you. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks ever so much, mate. What's going on? What is going on? What's Happy Friday. What's going on? I don't even know what's going on. Nice one, Mo. Look at that. What a great thing. So I meant Tuesday. Oh, that makes sense. I'm thinking, what's going on here? Thank you very much indeed. Start a poll. Ed Nevius wants to know. Ed wants to know how many of you want Silver Surfer to get a free mug. See, this is what happens. If you keep going on and on and on, finally something like this happens. Ed wants to know how many of you want Silver Surfer to get a free mug. Oh, bloody hell. Yes or no? How many of you want Silver Surfer to get a free mug? Ed Nevius requested the poll. Mo, coming in here with your 20. I nearly got a free mug. Hang on. Silver Surfer. Coming in here with your free mug. I nearly got a free mug. Anyway, it's Arabic, I believe, is the language of Muhammad. So we're going to change to Arabic. Here we go. And thank you, Muhammad, for your wonderful super chat tip. How are you today? And most importantly, how is your dear wife? Please say hello to her for me.
شكرا لك محمد على نصيحة سوبر شات الرائعة التي قدمتها لك اليوم، والأهم من ذلك كيف حال زوجتك العزيزة؟ من فضلك قل مرحبا لها من أجلي.
There you go. Just deleting some of these posts there. There we go. That's got it. Okay. Breaking news tomorrow. Germany will unveil marijuana legalization plan per marijuana moment. That's what Mohammed says. If we look at Tilray today, let's have a look. Mohammed, could you send that information, please? I would love to make a video on that. Are you on Discord? You are a member, so you have access to Discord. Have you ever used it? Here is Discord. If you could share me that link there, I will make a video on it. Okay. please share the link about Tilray brands in Germany in Discord, and I will make a video on it tonight. There you go. So if you can do that, I'll happily do that.
يرجى مشاركة الرابط الخاص بماركات تيلراي في ألمانيا في ديسكورد، وسأقوم بعمل فيديو عليها الليلة.
The link will not show in the chat as you are not a moderator. The only way to send a link is via Discord.
لن يظهر الرابط في الدردشة لأنك لست مشرفا، فالطريقة الوحيدة لإرسال الرابط هي عبر ديسكورد.
All right, here's the Discord link. Just click on that. Very, very easy. There's no way we can get the links. You can't send links. Links do not appear. I would make a video on it straight away, but I can't. I can't see the link. Okay. I can't see the link in the chat as you are not a moderator.
لا يمكنني رؤية الرابط في الدردشة لأنك لست مشرفا.
Anyway, I would love that information. I'd make a video straight away. Yes, Ed, go ahead and make Silver feel good. What's going on here? Let's have a look. How many people? Ed wants to know how many of you want Silver Surfer to get a free mug. 62% said yes. It's asking me for a username. Yeah, you just got to create one. Just create one. It's free to do. It's easy to do. I really wanted to get one. He deserves it. Why? Because he just keeps asking over and over again. It's basically begging. It's basically Ed. He just comes on here and begs every day. Don't give him one. Don't give him a mug just because he begs every day. Oh my God. Oh, that's funny. It's asking me for a username. You just got to create a username. Just call yourself Mohammed Kahine. That's the best way. I'm Martyn Lucas, you know. It's just my real name. 38% no. That's the most important part. Yeah, that's the most important part. Not the 62% that's it. Remember this, Silver Surfer. If you end up getting a free mug from Ed Nevius, remember that 38% said no. Don't do it. He's like a dog begging for treats. Yeah. 38% are going to go, no, don't do it. No, he's a great supporter. It's a great supporter of the team. He is, but you know, I can't influence the vote whatsoever. I have no influence over the vote whatsoever. So anyway, just saying, folks, just making the point. Anyway. Let's see if any of you have managed to update your... Yes! Eric B, you finally done it. It wasn't that hard, was it? Eh? Eric B? Eric B, you finally done it. Round of applause for Eric B tonight. Look here. Sensei's done it, and Eric B. Tilray for the win. Flippin' heck! You've still done it wrong, Eric B. I can't believe it. What is wrong with you? You've still done it wrong. What has he done wrong? Can anyone see what Eric B has done wrong? It won't count. It won't count in the system. You will not get 5 points for it. What is going on here? Can someone tell me what Eric B has done wrong? Flipping out. Look, watch this. What is wrong with you people? Look, watch this quick video. Everyone needs to slow down. Everyone needs to step back, breathe, relax, and go at a slower pace. Do less, but do it better. Right? Do less, but do it better. Okay? Enter a competition by reading it. Watch this quick video and leave the comment Tilray, spelt Tilray, for the win. Is that so hard to do? So he's been trying all day, keeps getting it wrong, and now he's finally left the comment and he spelt Tilray like that. T-L-R-Y. I despair. If Eric B now wins the competition, I'll be very disappointed. I don't know what to do here. I give up. It's a waste of my time. I don't know why I spend so much effort here doing things right when none of you even appreciate what's going on. Unflippin' believable. Remember, with the great power of the mug comes great responsibility. You can't even spell responsibility. Don't have a go at him. Don't have a go at him. You can't even spell responsibility. 50-50. Eric, I know. Martyn, stop all this giveaway talk. I nearly got a free mug after 6 months of banging on about it. Yeah, it's 50-50. If one more person votes no, you ain't getting a mug, mate. If one more person goes no, you ain't getting a mug, mate. You ain't getting a mug if one more person votes no. Yes, silver mugs, the mugs of power. They do. Only the best people have the mugs. All right? It won't let me reread. It won't let me reread the instructions. But why didn't you read them in the first place? What do you mean it won't let you reread the instructions? Look. I give up. You don't read the. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop bothering. Right. I did it now. How do I leave you the link? Okay. Let me go into Discord and welcome you in, Mohammed Kahain. I got to deal with real people. I got to deal with real people. I can't be spending my time here with lunacy. Bloody lunacy. Right, go into welcome all. Okay, so, Mohammed Kahain, you said you are now in Discord. It takes 10 minutes, so I'm surprised that you're in. All right, it takes 10 minutes to get in because of our security. You have to verify your email. Have you done that? This is what, if you're in Discord now, this is what you'll see. Welcome all. Right at the top. If you're in my Discord server, Martyn Lucas Investor, you will see welcome all. I doubt very much that you are in straight away because it takes 10 minutes. Verify your email and you need to get yourself in. All right? It takes 10 minutes. It might give you a 10-minute wait. I will wait for you. I will do 10 more minutes, then I'm gone. All right? You need to come into welcome all. And when you come into welcome all, just go, hello, I'm here. Say, hello, I'm here. Can someone jump into Discord, please, into welcome all to welcome Mohammed in? Mohammed, it takes 10 minutes to get verified on Discord. It counts down the 10 minutes for you. Then come into the Discord server and go into the welcome channel and say hello. I'm sharing it on the screen so you can see it. And then you can leave your link.
يستغرق الأمر 10 دقائق لإثبات ملكيته على ديسكورد، فهو يعد تنازليا لمدة 10 دقائق، ثم أدخل إلى خادم ديسكورد واذهب إلى القناة الترحيبية وقل مرحبا، أنا أشاركها على الشاشة حتى تتمكن من رؤيتها، ثم يمكنك اترك الرابط الخاص بك.
Let's have a look. I did it now. How do I leave a link? A down payment on a silver mug. A down payment. He's put a down payment. That is a down payment as well, because you got postage and you've got the 17% discount from YouTube. So yes, that is a flipping down payment. It looks like Ed Nevius is trying to buy Silver Surfer a mug. Unflipping believable. I can't believe it. Silver, Mike, if I was in order, if I was in your area, I wonder if I could get you one, but be bloody hell if I could pay. No, listen, folks. If you want to buy somebody a mug, this is very important. If you want to gift somebody something from the shop, you can buy it yourself. And all you need is the person's address. So if you ask Silver Surfer for his address or whatever, and he gives it to you securely through Discord, sends you a message, he sends you his address, you can put the address in. And it doesn't get shipped across the world. All the merchandise gets made and shipped in your own country. Spring, who make the merchandise, have manufacturing in all countries. So, if like Mike says, I would like to buy Silver Surfer a mug. If you've got Silver Surfer's mug, you can go on and put in the address, and it will get made and sent from their country. So you don't pay to send from America to England. That's the purpose of Spring. It's all over the world. It gets shipped in your own country. So if you want to buy someone a mug, you just need their address and you can send it to anyone from anywhere to anywhere. Okay? It says follow to get this channel. I press follow and it says it needs your permission. This is the welcome all. Did you just follow? I mean, the Discord link, if you click on it, you just follow. I'm going to give you the Discord link again. I don't know what you're doing. You just click on the link and click join. You come into the channel and then welcome all. Once you've joined, you will come in here. Look, Mike is here. Look, Mike is saying, welcome, Mohammed. He's waiting for you to appear in there. Ed, thank you so much. That's super generous. It is. It is really nice of him. He's the best, isn't he? He's the best, isn't he? Ed Nevius is such a nice person. I tell you what, though, at Silver Surfer, don't think this is the way forward. Don't think this is the way forward. Just, spend 6 months begging for a mug and then think Ed Nevis will buy me one. It's not the way forward. You got away with it once, but don't push your bloody luck, mate. Bloody Cornish. I'm the bloody same. Eric B's coming in. Eric B's now coming in. Look, to welcome all. Look, I didn't pay from UK to Canada. Exactly. There you go. You can just order from your country. Yes, Silver, give us your address and we will raid your Silver collection. Look, Eric B's coming as well, look. Mohammed, can you see, look? Everyone's coming in to welcome you in. There's Eric B, look. He's come into Discord to welcome you in as well. Look, there he is. Everyone's coming in to welcome you in. Look. See, right here on the screen, Mohammed. Let's see if he comes in. I don't know where he's gone. I think he's got confused because it takes 10 minutes and he thought he was already in. You're not in. It takes 10 minutes. Okay, that's why I'm waiting. Shall we donate that super chat to ensure charity? To ensure charity, and I'll buy it right now. To Ed's chosen charity. I can't send it out again. I haven't even got it. Don't confuse the system. If you send a super chat, I don't even get it until next month. Okay? And then when I get it, they take 17% out. Don't come on here trying to get someone to buy you a mug. They give me a super chat, and then I've got to send it back to you. This is confusing me. This is messing up my system. All right, I've got to pay tax on my income as well. I ain't paying tax on your mug that you're going to get for free and then send it back. It's getting way confusing. If you want a mug, buy a mug. If you want to donate a mug, donate a mug. Don't confuse my system. Bloody hell, I don't know what's going on. I need my mortgage paying off. Yeah, you need your mortgage paying off, right? I get that. Yeah, Silver, don't push your luck. Me too. Yeah, it's confusing me. In fact, it's beyond the pale. It's beyond the pale now. My dad used to say, if it goes too far, it's beyond the pale. It's beyond the pale. So enough already. In England, we say beyond the pale. In America, they say enough already. And I'm saying enough already. I don't know what's going on. Send money here, send money there, take it out, put it up, put it down. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what sort of show you think this is. It wasn't a Discord user before you, Martin. It took me a few minutes to set up. Exactly. It takes 10 minutes to come in. All right. Good God. Yeah, Mike. I can, even though I've never met Mike, right? I can hear him saying it. Can anyone else hear Mike going, good God? Can anyone else hear that? I can hear that. I can literally hear that. Check Discord sales. What Discord sales? There is a thing in here, yeah. There is a, where is it? You mean, where is it? Where is it? Links for YouTube. There is one in here. Merchandise, yeah. Oh, by the way, look, when someone buys something from the shop, it appears here in the merchandise. Look, this is the people. Look, that was March the 8th. Somebody bought a green mug. That's the last thing that got sold on the shop. March 8th, a bloody month ago. That's how tough this. See, when you all want to know how much money I make on merchandise, just look here. Just look here in merchandise channel. Right? Look, merchandise channel at the top, and you can see whenever someone buys something, Anonymous bought a mug. See it? Anonymous, null. You can put your name in there, null. And the last thing I sold was March the 8th from the shop. So whenever you buy something, it comes up. So when you want to work out how much money I'm not making, go into the merchandise channel on Discord and go, oh, he hasn't. His last mug sale. So this is where the tax man goes. The Inland Revenue and the IRS. They hover around this channel. They hover around this channel, right? They look around here and they go, when did Martyn Lucas last make some money? How much money is Martyn Lucas making? And they'll go, he sold a mug. He made about 5% profit, and the mug's like what, $19. He made about $2. He made March the 8th. Send him a tax bill. That's what they do. Right? So when you order a mug, it appears in here, or anything else you buy for that matter. Right? Anyway, shall we come back to welcome all and see if... look, there you go. There's my entire sales. I like this. Who bought this? Oh, no. Nobody. Nobody bought that. That was me advertising it. Okay, I did the link. Welcome all. Is he there now? Welcome all. There he is. Mo Money. There he is. Look, Mo Money, there he is. Mo Money. Right, Mohammed, what we're going to do, we're going to upgrade you. First of all, it's Mohammed, everybody. Welcome him in. Welcome Mohammed in. Here we go. I'm going to change the nickname. Here he is. I know that must be him because he sent the link. He's just confirmed. I'm in. I added the link. We know it's you. It's obvious it's you. Right, so here we go. Mohammed. Mo. Hamid. Kahine. Okay, Mohammed Kahine. Now everything you can send in links all the time now. Save. Okay, Mohammed Kahine. There he is. Mohammed Kahine. I'm now going to give you membership as well. Roles. Whoops. Role and member. Member. Okay. Mohammed Kahine, you are now a member of the channel. There you go. So, Mohammed Kahine, you are now a member of the channel. And whenever you want to, you can come in here and you can leave video, you can leave reactions, you can leave comments, whatever you like. Now, as a verified member, only members have this. What did I miss? Rundown, please. Too late, Sensei. You missed it all. Missed it. If you bugger off and mess around with other stuff, you miss out. Right? This is Mohammed Kahine. Mohammed Kahine is in our Discord now, and he sent me a link. So I'm going to make that as a video. There we go. There are 5 federally controlled drug schedules. There you go. There is the link. German official will unveil new cornerstone of marijuana plan on Wednesday. This is big Tilray news. This is big Tilray news. But remember, however, you need to remember, this is already priced into the stock. So as great as it is and as exciting as it is, just want to say it was mentioned on the call yesterday. So just before everyone jumps up and down and gets all excited, it was mentioned on the call yesterday. Okay. However, we're still going to make a video on it. Okay, there it is. I'm just getting it so I can use it. Okay, we'll make a video on this in a few moments. Okay, there we go. Lined up. Lovely. My Martyn Lucas pants. I want Lucas pants. Hey, you ain't getting nothing. You got 57% no. Ed wants to know, how many of you want Silver Surfer to get a free mug? The answer is no. An overwhelming majority of 57% said no. So you're not getting nothing. Someone gives some Depends underwear for Silver. Silver is so damn excited he probably needs his pants. I always like St. Jude's or Make-A-Wish, but Martin can have the tip. Yes, in this case, I'm getting the tip. Yes, no, it ain't going nowhere. We've had that discussion already. Ed bought me a mug. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. The poll was 57% no, and it was a down payment, and that's all it was. It's not enough. It doesn't buy the mug. So there you go. You missed it. Ed, where can we donate that $20? Welcome in. I can't, says, that's my, oh, Eric B, it was his green mug. There you go. All right, we're done. 6 months, I'll get those pants. 6 months, the dustbin will get the pants. Telling you that. I'll tell you that for nothing. I can't wait to have the undies. Wife gonna be like... Can you imagine? Can you imagine getting... I tell you what I'll do. I will have an auction on eBay. All right, here's my eBay. Here we go. What I will. Here we go. Here's my. Follow me on here. Here we go. Follow me. I will put my pants in the auction. And we'll do it for charity. We'll do it for charity. Right, there you go. Look, there we go. This is my eBay shop. All right. I've only got one thing at the moment. A signed Martyn Lucas Phantom of the Opera World Piano Man image. $1. I'm selling them for $1. And the reason why I'm selling them for $1 is because I want to get 10. I need to get 10. What do you call it? I need to get 10. What's the name for it? 10 feedbacks so I can send internationally. All right. So I need to sell 10 of these. So I've made it the cheapest price humanly possible. $1. Okay. For the Martyn Lucas. Look, this is what they look like. Look. See? It's a really nice card. It's my souvenir Phantom of the Opera World Piano Man cards. Anyway, there is my... there it is. There's the eBay in the chat. All right. Reviews. That's it. I need 10 reviews so I can send internationally. At the moment, it's only for people in Canada or whatever. No, the US. I can't. And as soon as I get 10, I can send around the world. Okay? Anyway. There you go. So go on there, and once I can send internationally, I'll send my pants. I bought one of those, Mike. You did. You did. Right, I'm gonna get out of here. This is ridiculous. Sitting here all day. I got better things to do. I haven't really. I just got to make more videos. Okay, I'm done. Let's have a quick sip of water. I'm getting out of here. Do we have to roll the credits? I suppose we do, don't we? Okay. Bring that up to date. I've got a new... oh, hello. Got a new follower over on Twitch. Oh. Looked like a real one. He looked like a real follower. Okay. That's it. I'm done. I'm out of here. Thank you very much indeed. I did day trade of the day, but no one joined in, so it's banned tonight. We banned it. Please don't tell me I heard right. Are you auctioning your... Yeah, you heard right. You heard right. LOL. Not a real follower. Ha ha. Sense to... Why do people have funny names? Why do people have funny names? Not a real follower. Ha ha. Sense it Omic. All right. Thank you, Sense it Omic. If you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, you'll be in our free giveaway. We just haven't got enough people to do it at the moment, so I can't give any money away. Get on that J&J song. I ignored my kids for that. All right. Bloody, I ignored my kids. And in the bar. Hang on. The breakfast bar. Oh, we're calling it bar now, are we? We're calling it bar now. We're just shortening it. We're getting too familiar now. We'll just call it bar. Don't worry about that. We'll just call it bar from now on. Where is it? Breakfast bar. There's nothing in the breakfast bar. Look in Discord. Mike, I'm looking in Discord. There's nothing in the breakfast bar. It just says nothing. There's nothing in the breakfast bar. What are you on about? Mike, why are you wasting my time? There's nothing in the breakfast bar. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this. Look in Discord. Bar. Thanks. All had a great time. Cheered me up. Not another Sensei. Sensei. Sorry, maybe I misheard you. I thought you said you were a bot. I joined. Whoops. Hey? Sorry, I misheard you. I thought you said I were a bot when I joined. Whoops. Block. Senseis are the best. Oh, is this you, Ali? Is this you? Flipping heck, what's going on? He's over on Twitch confusing me. That's what's going on. I see what's going on now. Mike drunk again. Now there is. Okay, I'll go and check now. What's going on? Right. Mike says there's something in the bar, the breakfast bar. I'm giving you too much grace here today. There you go. There you go. There it is. Look, this is Mike. He was there. This is what you call a fan. This ain't like Silver Surfer. This is a real fan. Look, he bought it when it first came out. Look at that. Martyn Lucas, the day trader. You can't even get those anymore now because now I go Martyn Lucas, the investor. You won't even get that anymore now. That's a collector's piece. Collector's piece. That's worth $1 million right there. All right. Hey, Nappy Head TV. How are you doing? Nappy Head over there on TikTok. Nice to see you, mate. Thank you very much. How's it going? I missed you. I'm paying attention to YouTube. Why would I be Sensei, Tommy? No, it's not. Oh, it's not you. Oh, it's not you. Senseis are the best. Ah, Sensei. Okay. That's not you. Okay. We've got another Sensei then. Do you trade Bitcoin on this channel? What pairs do you mostly trade? Hobby trader here looking for people to learn from. Sensei, well, you couldn't be in a better channel because we've got Sensei Crypto here, and I brought a bloody mug. Well, Ed did. You bought a mug. Did you go on? Well, it'll appear in the merchandise if you did that. Once it goes through, it'll be in the merchandise channel. So yes, going back to Bitcoin then. We trade crypto every day. Yes, we do. So let me come over to you now and give you the link to where we are on YouTube. Okay? Are you ready? I'll put my... In fact, just come in now. I'll give you one more minute. I was going to finish 3 hours ago. I go 10 hours a day and I've gone over my time. All right? I'm always here. It's ridiculous how often I'm here. Let me give you the link to my channel. Pop in right now. Just so I can introduce... Thanks for the invite. Okay, will do. Okay, we aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. I go live up to 10 hours a day, and every word is true and honest. We're here to help people. So, Sensei, Tommy, K, jump into YouTube right now, and I will introduce you to Ali, Sensei Crypto. Okay? There's the link right now. If you come in now... Just come on in. I'll put you in touch with Ali, and then you can come back in tomorrow. We're live every morning for the opening and closing bell, all day long. I just live in the studio. It's like ridiculous. I need to get a life. Sounds too sensual, Andrew. What's sensual? Time to go, Martin. Go. Yes, I'm done. If he wants to come in, he's got to come in now. He's got like 10 seconds. I'm going to roll the credits. This has been absolutely insane. I'm getting nothing done. Roll the credits live. Play the music. Let's get out of here. End screen. Bye-bye, everybody. See you back later on. And I'll see you back in the morning. It's been a bit of a funny day today. Nothing's working. Just the way it is. I'll try and play the happy music. There you go. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. Tilray Brands is going up slightly. We got some news to share with you later on with Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit. Of course, Bitcoin today broke out as we predicted. Rewind the video, you'll see what happened. It was a great prediction from Ali Sensei. Absolutely spot on. Really, really great. But that's it. Super chats. The Silver Surfer. Swangan77, Sensei Crypto, Mike, Mohammed Kahin, Ed Nevius, new followers, Sensei, new subscriptions from Korea. Absolutely great. Yes, please, please, please do the looping of my music. 3,100. I missed the bell. Yes, you did. We've got a new bell. We've got a new bell. That's all I'm saying. It's going to be very exciting. Get with it. Join us tomorrow. You're going to love it. Too busy getting a free mug. Thanks, Ed. Thanks, Silver. Thanks, everybody. It looks like Sensei Tommy K didn't come over. That's a shame. I held as long as I could, but I can't hold any longer. That's it. You've had your chips. Time to go. I've had enough. I'm gone. That's it. What can we say? Shall we go? Yeah. That's it. All right. That's it. Thank you ever so much. I'll see you back in the morning. Look out for the videos. Thank you ever so much, everybody over on TikTok. Let me say goodbye to you now. Here we go. We need a new bell. Trust me, you're going to love the bell. That's it. Sensei Crypto, new bell coming. Yeah, when Amazon can turn up. Should be tomorrow, but you won't see it tomorrow. No, not yet you won't. There's more, you have to wait. Got to get it right. Don't rush. Take your time. Read the information. So, for those of you that don't read the information, some of you just don't bother reading information. Here is your last call tonight for the giveaway. Our biggest ever giveaway, $1,000 value. Biggest ever giveaway we've ever done. Slow down, start reading stuff, and you might actually benefit a little bit more. All right? Don't be like Eric B, who doesn't read nothing. That's it. Good night, everyone. Have a wonderful day, wonderful life if we never meet again. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your money, your crypto, and each other. Bye-bye for now. See you later.